I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pocket letter opening. I did a pocket letter swap in one of my Facebook groups, and it was one of the swaps that there was a theme, and then the admins of the Facebook page then match you up with somebody. So I have a video over the pocket letter that I sent to my partner here on my channel. I will link that down below and pop up a card. But it was the unicorn pocket letter swap. So I just received my partners. So let's get into it and see. Again, the theme is unicorns. Okay, so here is the pocket letter. It's got some really cute tissue paper on it. I like that. It's hearts. I'm trying to be really careful with the tissue paper because I don't want to mess it up. Because it's so cute, I would really like to reuse it, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reuse it. Okay, I give up. I give up, you guys. I can't get it off. All right. Oh, it's really pretty. She did a really good job. Make sure I got everything out. There's some sequins there. Oh, some sequins are falling out of there. I love it when sequins fall out of things. Okay, so it looks like some little sequins stuck out of here. Okay, so she did a very pretty job. I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think some sequins are sneaking out of the back. I'm trying to get it all. She put in some extra goodies. I'll show you guys those here in just a second. All right, so here is the pocket letter. I love the pastel theme. How pretty. She added some little ribbon here, which is pretty. And it looks like, okay, so let's start with the front one here. Oh, okay, that's where the sequins, they're coming out of the little shaker here in the middle. I'll fix that later. All right, so I'm loving this. This is really cute. So she's got different little unicorns here. I like this little hello sticker. Look at that, that's cute. But probably one of the things I love the most is that she put these paper flowers across the top and all the little colors of the rest of the pocket letter. She used rainbow paper on the back of these. Keep dreaming, so happy. I dream of unicorns, that's cute. It's still got little sequins everywhere. Yeah, I like these little 3D foam unicorns, those are cute. Today I choose to be a unicorn. Best day ever. I love the little shaker pocket here. I think I figured out that's where all my little sequins are jumping out of. And this unicorn, I guess it's a die cut, is really pretty. It's glittery. I hope you guys can see that. And then there's some 3D foam heart stickers. This one says you are magical. I like the sprinkle paper, that's cute. She used it as kind of a border on some stuff. There's the pretty unicorn border back in there. And then the washi tape is unicorn as well. And then she has a cute little rainbow paper clip sticking through right here. Very cute. Okay, I love the front of this, adorable. So here are some things before I turn it over to the back. She made this little rainbow paper clip. Very cute, as always. I'll add that to my planner. I really love these. Look at these double-sided die cuts. They're unicorn horns and rose crowns. I really love those. I can use those. Oh, there's one more. I forgot. So she sent me 4 of those. Cute, pink and blue. And then she sent me one of these. It's a little unicorn glitter gem sticker. Very cute. All right, so let's flip it over to the back. Oh, there go more sequins. The sequins are like, let me out of here. I can get those back in there later. Okay, and then on the back side, oh my gosh, you guys, are you kidding me? Those are so cute. Let's get into this one. So in this one, she used, okay, first of all, the washi is adorable, but can you guys see that card back there? It's a llama card. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Llama playing cards. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she gave me some unicorn washi, some rainbow washi. This one says, what does it say? Believe you can do it. And then welcome to Unicorn Paradise. That's so cute. I don't think that I have any unicorn washi, which is crazy because I have so much washi. So excited to have these. She was very generous with it too. Very cute. I think I'll go ahead and keep my goodies out of the pocket. And then this one is some unicorn ribbon. I've never seen this unicorn ribbon before. Love that as well. This is the little letter. I'll read that here in a little bit. And then it's weird. It's like my sequins are sneaking out of this one into that one. Maybe they just came out there and then got slipped into there. But some little jimmies. Never can have too many jimmies. And then some little tags here. Love those. They're really pretty. They're cut into a really pretty shape. I think I'm gonna save my favorite one for last, you guys. Okay, and then let's see. Yeah, these look like they're stickers. These are really pretty. She had some really pretty stuff. I don't think I have anything unicorn. Like I had some unicorn paper, that's what I used on mine, and then I made some unicorn stuff with my die cut machine. And I had a couple stickers, but so this is really cute. They're all pastel kind of colors. They're all stickers. I love those. And then some more stickers. He's cute. You are magical. Couple different colors. You are magical again. So cute. You know, I keep saying it. I can't help it. Everything is cute. Okay, these are amazing. I'm gonna show you guys those last. Okay, and then some little butterflies. Let's see, what are these? Are these stickers? I think they're just little like embellishment type things. So, a couple of little maybe paper, but they're small. Very cute, and their antennas are made out of wire. Looks like there's a blue one and maybe a pinkish purple one. Okay, and then are you guys ready for this cuteness? Oh, there's stickers. Wow, I've never seen. So cute. Okay, so these are metal. I thought they were like pins, you know, like the push pins that you can wear on your shirt and stuff. These were actually stickers. What the heck? That is awesome. That is so amazing. So cute. I wonder where she got these. These are adorable. This will be something I hoard because I don't want to get rid of it because it's so cute. So, all right, guys. So that was my unicorn pocket letter swap. I am very happy with my swap. I think it's so beautiful. I hope my partner liked her swap as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I would love to keep you around. And don't forget to go and check out the pocket letter that I sent my swap buddy in return. It is the unicorn pocket letter video posted on my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.